Hello students, welcome to Career 360. The CUET round 2 cutoffs were just declared last weekend. And what we're doing right now is to actually talk about subject-wise or program-wise, what are the kind of cutoffs that you have across all the colleges for that particular program. So right now we've already done something for commerce, we've done something for economics, we're doing now about political science and allied branches also. And what we're doing is we're comparing the round 2 cutoff of the current year versus the round 2 or round 3 cutoff of the previous year, and also comparing it with the end of the counseling period, what happened last year, so that you exactly know what kind of space you have of getting into a college and a program of your choice. Right? So that's what we're doing now. DU college cutoffs for political science and allied branches, round 2 25 versus 26, or at times we don't have round 2, so we're comparing with round 3. But we're also giving you the end of the counseling, what happened last year. Now, before we go ahead, there is a certain kind of questions that are coming in because a lot of students, or some of the students for that matter, believe that they're not likely to get a program of their choice or a college of their choice. So they want to jump onto a private university. In which case, the counseling that you have to deal with is, send us a message on this number, 8130376334. Send us a message, apply. And one of our counselors who understands the private university space will call you up and try to understand your problem. Now, there are a lot of students who are also looking at getting into some of the foreign universities that are setting up campus in India, which are approved by the UGC and by the government of India, mind you, and they also have an international reputation. And these students essentially are people who at some point in time would want to study abroad also, in which case send us a message foreign. There are about 15 campuses that are setting up in India. So you, on the same number, send up as a message foreign, and one of our counselors who deals with those universities will call you up. And lastly, just please do subscribe to Career 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide the best college course pathway for themselves. And this series that we're doing on CUET, and this CUET information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally based on the World Universities ranking. Now let's get to the numbers, right? What are we talking? We're talking of DU political science and allied cutoffs. So political science and allied political science, right? And we're comparing round 2 with round 3 of last year. And by the end of the closing of the counseling session, what essentially happened last year. We'll go college by college. The first one is Hindu College, which is the most sought after as far as political science is concerned, last year at least. Currently, it's 956.26. Last year, it was 935.40 at the end of round 3, but ended with 950.58. So after round 3, it actually spiked also. Right. Then Hindu College comes in again with BA program history and plus political science. Whenever you have a combination, it is slightly volatile because we're unable to really zero in on what exactly is likely to happen. But it's important for you to understand what's happened last year. In the current year, it's at this point in time 941.15 is the cutoff. Last year, it ended with 936.18 by the time the counseling ended. Miranda comes in with BA Honors Political Science, 930.0 for current year. And last year it ended with 925.98. Wherever you don't see a number here, it means that it ended much before the round 2 or round 3, which is where we don't have the round 3 numbers here. Then comes again Lady Shri Ram College for Women, BA Honors Political Science, 909.48 this year. Last year it was 915.70. Then comes Lady Shri Ram again, BA program Economics and Political Science, which is a combination, 905.70 last year. It ended with 897.20 last year. Kirorimal comes in BA Honors Political Science, 904.71 the current year, 909.69 in the previous year. Miranda comes in BA program Economics plus Political Science, 904.16 this year, 885.54 in the previous year. Remember, these only open categories what we're talking of. We're not talking the category reservations at this point in time. Moving further, Ramjas College comes in BA Honors Political Science, 888.97 this year, 894.95 last year. Miranda comes in again, BA program History plus Political Science, 886.28 current year, 891.72 in the previous year. Kirorimal comes in, BA program or Economics plus Political Science, 883.84 in the current year, 859.13 previous year by the time it closed. Kirorimal comes in again, BA program History plus Political Science combination, 880.85 current year, 873.31 last year. Sri Venkateswara comes in, BA Honors Political Science, 873.48 in the current year, 875.08 in the previous year. Miranda comes in, BA program Geography and Political Science, 867.6 for current year, 907.94 in the previous year. Kirorimal BA program English plus Political Science. The current year round 2 cutoff was 852.48 as of now. It ended with 858.51 in the previous year. It's become more competitive this year as compared to last year. That's what we've realized across the board. Sri Venkateswara comes in 841.95 in the current year for BA program History plus Political Science, 839.82 in the previous year. Kirorimal BA program Philosophy plus Political Science, 841.43 current year, 845.21 in the previous year. Kirorimal comes in BA program Hindi plus Political Science, 839.06 current year, 829.13 in the previous year. Daulatram BA Honors Political Science, 838.43 in the current year, 843.33 in the previous year. And Jesus and Mary comes in, BA Honors Political Science, 834.47 in the current year, round 2 cutoff, mind you. This 835.89 is where it ended last year. Then comes Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College, BA Honors Political Science, 826.82 in the current year, 855.28 in the previous year. Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College, again, this is a combination now, BA program History plus Political Science, 820.87 in the current year, 812.03 in the previous year. Gargi College, BA program Economics plus Political Science, 817.57 in the current year, 796.19 in the previous year. Daulat College, BA program History plus Political Science, 816.74 in the current year, 821.40 in the previous year. Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College, now it's a combination, BA program Economics plus Political Science, 813.07 in the current year, 841.13 in the previous year, end of round 3, ended at 841.13. Then Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College, BA Honors Political Science, 813.02 in the current year, 823.86 in the previous year. Moving further, Hindu College, BA program Sanskrit plus Political Science, 812.66 in the current year, 807.89 in the previous year. Indraprastha College for Women, BA Honors Political Science, 806.56 in the current year, 825.66 in the previous year. Gargi College, BA Honors Political Science, 805.54 in the current year, 818.82 in the previous year. Indraprastha College for Women, BA program History plus Political Science, 782.66 in the current year, 790.30 in the previous year. Delhi College for Arts and Commerce, BA Honors Political Science, 776.34 in the current year, round 2 cutoff, 819.26 at round 3 cutoff last year, 819.26 is where it ended last year. Shahid Bhagat Singh College, BA Honors Political Science, 774.32 in the current year, 791.07 is where it ended last year. Ramanujam College, BA program Political Science plus Psychology, 768.18 current year, ended with 771.63 in the previous year. Indraprastha College, BA program Geography plus Political Science combination, 767.45 in the current year, 797.9 in the previous year. Jesus and Mary College, BA program History plus Political Science, 766.04 in the current year, 770.33 in the previous year. Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College, BA program Mathematics and Political Science, 764.13 in the current year, 781.90 in the previous year. Jesus and Mary College, BA program Political Science plus Sociology, 755.92 in the current year, 771.42 in the previous year. Gargi College, BA program History plus Political Science, 755.18 in the current year, round 2 cutoff, 768.2 is where it ended last time. Maitreyi College, BA Honors Political Science, 754.69 current year, 799.45 after round 3 last year, ended with 805.90. So it actually eased off a lot. If you have the seat, I think you must freeze it and take it, if you're really keen on this particular subject. Kamala Nehru College, BA Honors Political Science, 746.36 in the current year, 769.45 in the previous year. It ended. Motilal Nehru College, BA Honors Political Science, 742.88 in the current year, 767.24 in the previous year. Shahid Bhagat Singh College, BA program History plus Political Science, 731.5 in the current year, 772.63 in the previous year. Aryabhatta College, BA Honors Political Science, 730.09 in the current year, round 2 cutoff, 769.45 is round 3 cutoff last year, where it ended by then. Ramlal Anand College, BA Honors Political Science, 718.51 current year. Last year 691.07 after round 3, but ended with 780.23, which means at spot round it's just spiked up dramatically. So that's what we have as far as political science and combinations is concerned. Now, if you still think that you don't have a chance or you're not likely to get a college and a course of your choice, and you want to explore the other options that you have, send us a message, apply if you want to explore any private universities in India, and we'll help you out. And the number is 8130376334. And if you want to get into any of the foreign university campuses that are setting up in India, there are about 12 to 15 of them setting up in Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai, and all those things. And these are all the top 500 universities that are setting up campus in India, globally top 500. Then you can send us a message foreign on the same number, 8130376334, and we'll actually have a counselor who understands the foreign university setting up in India to answer all your queries and let you decide what you want. And do subscribe to Career 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help the CUET aspirants get into the best college possible, DU aspirants getting into the best college possible, and same thing with private universities and foreign universities also. So do subscribe to that because it's a series that we're doing. And this CUET information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked amongst the top 3% globally. I hope this entire thing helps you. If you want me to cover anything else, please write to me in the message box. I'll be happy to cover that for you. Thank you so much. Namaste.